Creating effective YouTube thumbnails involves using bold colors, clear text, and engaging images. Ensure the thumbnail reflects the video's content accurately. Use high-resolution images and maintain a consistent style to build brand recognition. Tools like Canva or Adobe Spark can help design professional-looking thumbnails that attract viewers and increase engagement. Thumbnails are your video's first impression, acting as a visual billboard amidst endless content. Custom thumbnails can boost clicks by 30 to 50% over auto-generated ones. YouTube's algorithm favors videos with higher click-through rates, making effective thumbnails crucial for visibility and channel growth. Viewers decide in under 3 seconds whether to watch or skip your video. A compelling thumbnail is crucial in this moment. Strong thumbnails not only capture attention, but also enhance viewer retention beyond 30 seconds, signaling quality to YouTube's algorithm. This boosts video ranking and ensures long-term visibility. Ensure your YouTube thumbnail is 1280 by 720 pixels for clarity across devices. Stick to a 16:9 aspect ratio for seamless integration with YouTube's player. Keep file size under 2 megabytes using JPG, PNG, or GIF formats. Bright, high-contrast colors enhance visibility on all screens. Feature a human face with expressive emotions to create an instant connection. Use bold, minimal text, 3 words max, in large, legible fonts for mobile readability. Leverage high-contrast colors like reds and yellows to stand out against YouTube's interface. Keep the composition simple with 2 to 3 main elements for clarity. Utilize the ADA model in thumbnail design to convert browsers into viewers. Capture attention with bold visuals and striking colors. Ignite interest through intriguing images or questions. Evoke desire by showcasing value or emotional resonance. Finally, drive action by promising a specific benefit or transformation from watching the content. Begin by selecting a YouTube thumbnail template or a 1280 by 720 canvas. Insert a high-quality background image to set the tone. Add bold text with fonts like Anton or Montserrat at 72 point. Enhance with background removal and shadow effects. Finally, export as JPG or PNG under 2 megabytes for YouTube upload. The Adobe Express workspace offers user-friendly tools like drag-and-drop templates and text customization. Utilize the Remove Background feature to isolate subjects, enhancing your thumbnail's professionalism with transparent layers. Real-time preview ensures your design is flawless before exporting. Create 3 thumbnail versions per video for A/B testing. Test text placement, color schemes, facial expressions, and composition styles. Run tests for at least 48 hours for significant data. Use Thumbnail Test for split testing, vidIQ for click-through rate analysis, and TubeBuddy for tracking effectiveness. Update older thumbnails to boost views and engagement. Custom thumbnails significantly outperform auto-generated ones, achieving 3 times better click-through rates. Text and image combinations consistently lead, surpassing single-element designs. This highlights the importance of strategic thumbnail creation to enhance viewer engagement and channel performance. Avoid overcrowding elements in thumbnails. Simplicity enhances clarity and click rates. Use high-resolution images to maintain professionalism and viewer trust. Misleading clickbait damages credibility and algorithm performance. Ensure thumbnails are optimized for mobile, as over 70% of views occur on these devices, requiring clear and readable designs. Use consistent color schemes with 2 to 3 brand colors for instant recognition. Choose 1 to 2 signature fonts to enhance brand identity. Place your logo subtly in the same corner of each thumbnail. Develop recurring design patterns for series content to make playlists and related videos easily identifiable. Open YouTube Studio, click Content to access your video library. Select the video, hover over the thumbnail, and click the upload icon. Choose your custom image or an auto-generated option. Click Save and Preview on all platforms. Ensure your account is verified at youtube.com/verify to upload custom thumbnails. Invest 10 to 20 minutes per thumbnail for optimal results. This time investment enhances video success. Develop a template to reduce creation time while maintaining quality. Use Adobe Express, Canva, or Pixlr for free options. For more control, consider Photoshop or Snappa. These tools streamline your workflow, ensuring professional and engaging thumbnails. Plan your thumbnail during pre-production to sharpen video focus and capture the perfect shot. Use psychological principles and design fundamentals to maximize clicks. Analyze performance data, learn from results, and refine your approach. Small improvements lead to significant channel growth. Start creating thumbnails that captivate and engage viewers today.